Today we will discuss how to create a new avatar. For this, you have to go to your profile. You know how to go to your profile. I hope you know. And what will you see now? This edit picture or avatar. This is the avatar. You have to select on it, click, and you are good to create a new avatar. Next, create avatar. You have to select skin tone of your avatar, whatever you want, whatever matches your skin tone, whatever you prefer. Next, then there are many good hairstyles you want to select. There are many possibilities according to your preference. You can choose from them. That matches your hairstyle that you prefer. There are many crazy ones, there are many good ones. Okay, then this one. Select next. Next option is to choose your hair color. Let's go to brown. I'm going with brown color. You can select the shade of your hair. I am selecting dark brown that are very near to black. Then tap on next. Next option you have to select is your face shape. You want to select your oval face shape, cubicle. It is up to you. You want to select the width that you want it to narrow, medium or wide. I am selecting round face. Wow. This one. Next. Next is the option of the outfits. This catch my heart. Okay, I'm done. My avatar is being updated. We are very near to our avatars. Click next. To use an avatar, you have to select your account. Avatar is ready. You can edit avatar whenever you want. By this end, you can edit avatar. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to smile today. Okay, bye bye.